In today's quick video, I'll show you how to delete a duplicate Google business profile to keep your business presence clean and professional. If this helps, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple business tips. Let's jump in. Go to businessgoogle.com and sign in using the Google account linked to your business. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard showing all the profiles connected to that account. Now, look carefully through your list and find the duplicate profile you want to remove. Make sure you're selecting the correct one because once deleted, it can't be undone. Click the checkbox beside that duplicate. Next, click on the Actions button at the top and from the drop-down, choose Remove Business. You will see a confirmation box pop up. This is your last chance to double check. If everything looks good, hit Remove to confirm. And that's it. Your duplicate Google business profile is gone. Simple, quick, and effective. Cleaning up your listings like this keeps your business easy to find and improves your visibility on Google. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more quick Google business tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.